Hey everyone, Couch Investor here. Welcome back to another Illumina monthly stock analysis. In this video, we're going to go over Illumina's stock chart and relevant news regarding the company. We do this with Square as well. I did it 2 days ago, so if you want to watch that video, it's going to pop up right there. We're going to do this every month. So if you're interested in that, maybe hit that subscribe button. And if you like the videos, maybe leave it an early thumbs up as well. So without further ado, let's go look at the charts. All right, so last month was right around this point right here. So it bounced off my uptrend line and my support line at $340 or so. Went all the way up, then went a bit sideways, bounced off again, went all the way up to the price we're at today actually, broke the uptrend line, but bounced back on my mini support line that I've put here at around $360. I've put this support line a couple of days ago, not in my last video. So this was the monthly analysis, and this here was the comparison and what's the better buy between Invitae and Illumina. If you want to watch that video, it's going to pop up in the top right corner. So what I would like to see, also the stock is not overbought anymore like we've seen before, but it is in the high RSI, so you might want to watch out for that. But what I would like to see is maybe the stock forming a solid base around this area right here for the coming weeks. That would mean that 360 is a solid support, and we can in the future move to the upside, which could be, well, very well in the $400 marks. Don't forget the company is valued at a $56 billion, and Invitae's valuation is at around about $5 billion, but the price is obviously cheaper. So if you want to open a position in Illumina or Invitae and you think Illumina is a bit too expensive for you right now, Invitae I think is the way to play it. But for me, Illumina is as well a very good stock to have in your portfolio, especially if you want to hold it for the longer term. If you feel that buying Illumina right now is a bit too risky for you, you could always invest in an ETF that covers Illumina and Invitae. That ETF is called the ARK Invest ETF. I did a video about it I think a month or so ago. It's going to pop up right here. I went over their top 10 holdings, so if you're interested in that, maybe go watch that, and maybe that ETF suits you better. All right, so the first big acquisition Illumina has made is the acquisition of genomic compression data firm Enancio. Enancio's innovation is focused on genomic data compression with clear objectives, speeding up next-gen analysis, lowering storage costs, lowering internal network traffic while preserving your data integrity. Now, why is this important? Because one patient accounts for 500 gigabytes of genomic data, which is around about 50 million book pages, which is the height of almost the Eiffel Tower. Another fun fact is that by 2025, 1 billion genomes will be sequenced, which is like having pages go from Earth to the sun. Now, thanks to Enancio's LENAS compression software, all the data is compressed by a factor of 30. Enancio expects that by 2025, the data compression market for genomic sequencing will reach 2 billion euros, which makes this acquisition very good for us long-term investors in Illumina, but for Illumina as a whole, this means that the company and the market is actually still continue to grow in an exponential rate. Now, with all these future genome being sequenced, obviously Illumina needed another firm to acquire that will help them with that, which is BlueBee. BlueBee is a cloud-based software company that provides genomic analysis solutions for research and clinical customers. Now, this cloud capability is expected to lower the cost of storing, managing the enormous volumes of genomic data, and obviously sharing that data as well with researchers and customers. Next up, Illumina is actually launching a new software called Trusight. It is here to help facilitate and accelerate the adoption of whole genome sequencing, which shortens the time and reduces the cost in identifying these specific rare diseases. Because when it comes to rare diseases, the sequencing process and the identification of it still takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money. So with this software, it will accelerate the adoption and accelerate the process, meaning less time to get results, and it will eventually cost less. To conclude, if you thought Illumina is slowing down because they're number one player in this market, you're mistaken. that are actually growing and growing each month. So if you're a long-term investor, maybe this would be a positive sign for you. And if you're yet to open a position, maybe this will push you to open one as well. That will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, maybe now is the time to hit that subscribe button. For my next video, I'm going to talk about Disney stock. So if you have specific questions or topics you want me to cover, let me know down in the description below. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.